Right, get in the car. Driving lesson number 2. Start the car up, put in reverse. Now forward. Use the accelerator on the steering wheel as usual. Make sure your headlights are on because it is dark. Look both ways. Quickly cross the road and enter the military zone. We are going to steal a jet for lesson number 2. Very different from lesson 1. First of all, avoid the guys with the machine guns. Try to avoid the machine guns, and then quickly locate the jet. It should be down here somewhere, and it's probably guarded. Yes, it is. It's guarding the jet. Get out a machine gun or something like that. And it's very dark, but try to look for the guy. Where is he? He's there somewhere. Keep firing, just keep firing until you shoot something. And yeah, I got him. Yep. So that should keep him quiet for a bit now. And then pop the hatch on the jet, jump into it, and get out of there as quickly as you can. So accelerate the jet and use the appropriate controls to get out of the airbase. And not too high, so you don't get blown away by any surface to air missiles. And that's it. You have passed lesson 2. You are now an expert in converting a car into a jet. So keep up the good work and like and subscribe, and just go for it. Yeah, enjoy your flying and driving time on GTA 5. Goodbye for now. See you next time.